Hello guys. So today I will be teaching you on how to merge the PDF files. You can merge two or more PDF files into one using PyPDF2 module from Python. For more information about PyPDF2, you can just search from your web browser PyPDF2, then open the link from the pypi.organization. Then you come to documentation. Then you will find more information about PyPDF2. You can do more than the one I'm explaining here using PyPDF2 on PDFs. So what you are going to do is to install the PyPDF2. Go to your to create your file merge underscore pdf.py, or you can name it as you want. So we are going to use pypdf2 pypdf2. So copy the pip install pypdf2, then paste it in your anaconda prompt for installation. It will take like 1 to 2 minutes, at most 1 minute. So as it installs, let's type our code. First in Python, you import the module pypdf2. Then the second thing we are going to do is to create a PDF file merger object. So PDF merger is equals to, use now the module pypdf2, get the function PDF merger p caps d small f, then file. Ensure you follow the uppercase and lowercase as I'm doing. So after creating the PDF file merger object, the next thing we are going to do is to get the PDFs. You can just open them by defining the variable for each, or you can just use an array. So let me use an array to store the names of the two PDFs. The first PDF we are going to use is cprog.pdf, cprog.pdf. Then the second one will be prog.pdf. So you can loop through the names, but ensure the names of the files are correct and are on the same path where the file we are creating is. So the next thing we are going to do is to append the files. Append is like now combine the two files, the two PDFs, using now the merger we just created here. So but because we are not going to name each and every variable for each, so we are going to loop through the PDFs list that we just created. So for PDF, so we are getting each PDF at each loop of the list. So for PDF in PDFs, then you use the merger we created, PDF merger dot, then we append PDF. The first PDF will be cprog, then prog.pdf, then they will be merged using the merger we just defined there. So the other thing we are going to do is now to open the PDF. The PDF, now we are going to create the PDF where we restore both PDFs as one. Now the output we are going to get after running this program. So open it or create it because it doesn't exist. With open, you can just name it output.pdf. So we are opening it on light mode binary because the file doesn't exist. So when you open it in light in binary mode, if the file doesn't exist, it will be automatically created. So open the PDF as F. Then we are going to use the merger we created so that we can write the PDFs we appended into the output PDF. So PDF merger dot write, then F. We are going to write the PDFs we appended here together into the output PDF, and that's all for merging the PDFs. Then we can, to confirm it's done, you can create a print. Done. So let's run our program in Anaconda Python. Then take the name of the file, that's merge underscore pdf.py. Yes, you can see it's splits done. So we can check on our path whether we have the output PDF. As you can see, we have the output PDF. Let's see whether it combined both the PDF. Now the first PDF was this. This is the readings for the first PDF. Then the second one we have this. So the output PDF should consist the contents of the first PDF and the second PDF. So you can see this is the content of the first PDF, and this is the content of the second PDF, and that's all for merging the PDFs. Maybe if you have a problem on merging the PDFs together, maybe you have more than one or more than two, maybe you can ask on the comment section below. I'll be there to help. Thank you.